Hi guys, 7:39 a.m. I have a training today. If you guys don't know, I work for NHS, so I have turn this thing off. It's too much noise. I have a training today. My training will start at my training will start at 8:45 a.m. So I left home quite really early today because the traffic and then the parking place, you have to be here early if you really want to get a place. So you have to leave early so you can find a place to park. So that's why I left early this morning. So my training will start at 8:45 like I said, and it will be finished around 5, but I think they will let us leave maybe around 4. Oh my god, the thing is like you don't get paid for this training, and I have to pay for parking. Like it's just not funny. I have to have this training once a year, so I'm doing I've done my online training, whatnot. I just need to do physical training, which is life support training and moving and handling. Oh my god, like it just takes, I feel like I'm going to work right now, you know. So yeah, so I'm just packing, just waiting, because obviously, like I said, it's 7:45 now. 7:45. So I'm gonna stay here till like 15 minutes past, 8:15. Thank God I've got my tea that will keep me awake. Yeah, it's really cold this morning, guys. Really cold. Really cold. Yeah, I really don't, to be honest, because the training is fun because I remember the last time I did my training, which is I think I did my training last, because my training always due every during this time, last year December, November, is it November? Yeah, last year November or September, something like that. I had the same training. Obviously I have to do every year. The training is really, really nice, very fun, but it just depends the group you are in, because it's only for a couple of hours. But that couple of hours, if you with some group, oh my god, you're not gonna like it. You know, not last year, the year before last year, when I had the same training, I really enjoyed it, because I don't know who they are, but the group I was in, the group that came in for the training, everybody's really nice. We all but last year ones, oh my god, I hated it so much. Like everybody just feel like, even though I was around doctors, lot of professionals, but it's just feel like, oh god. I don't know, but it's a bit awkward. But hopefully it's not going to be like that for me this year. Hopefully I will enjoy the training this year. But most of the teachers, they're really nice, so hopefully I will enjoy it, because because it's something that you do once a year, and then you really want to enjoy it, if that makes sense, and you really want to learn and enjoy it. But if I can remember, last year training was so fun, where we get to watch videos, and I think because someone like me, like the way I learn, when I watch something and you're telling me that thing and I'm watching it, I learn more quicker on that than just talking. Because when you're talking, there's a limit talk you can talk. Like when you started to talk and the talk is becoming long, to be honest, I was not able to keep up, if that makes sense. So last year one was so fun. I learned so much last year, where when the guy was teaching us and we're watching videos, it kind of makes sense so much. What, when you're doing life support, like CPR, you get to know how it's like inside when you're doing it for someone, if that makes sense. So watching the video and watching the demonstration on the video, it makes so much sense, and I really enjoy a part of the group I'm in anyway, the group I was in. So anyway, so I'm just gonna stay here, listen to radio, chill out a bit, and I'm gonna leave around 8:45. No, I'm gonna leave. No, the training starts at 8:45, so I'm gonna leave around 8:15. Because I still have to walk down. I think walking down from here is it's not that long. I think it's 5 minutes walk or 4 minutes walk. I'm not sure, but at least, yeah. So that's what I'm doing today, and I'll update you guys later. See you in a bit. Guys, so I just received 2 parcels that just came in just now. Today's Sunday, and I received a parcel around an hour ago. So I've opened one, but I've not opened the box, which I already know what is inside. But I quickly grabbed my camera to show you guys the parcel. I'm gonna be reviewing everything on TikTok because it's for TikTok shop. But because I need to put my TikTok link at the description box for you guys to see what I do. What I do on TikTok, I just do hair reviewing, products or whatnot. So I was like, you guys deserve to see what is inside. It's quite interesting. So this is the parcel. So I've already opened the
bag, but I have to open the box. But this is the box. I love this company. I've worked with them before. This will be my second time. Their wig is really nice. So this is their wig. It comes with a lot of goodies. As you can see, it comes with their nails, pussy nails, hairband, stocking caps. Yeah, it comes with quite a lot of things. So this is the wig. If you want to purchase this wig, you can go through my TikTok link and have a look at it. It's going to be on my TikTok shop link, my TikTok shop, the showcase. This wig is so nice. So this is 7x4, I believe. I think this is 7x4 glueless lace and with the highlights. I love highlights, guys. Like, I've done something like this for icy hair before. They gave me this kind of hair with this highlight. It's so good. It's so fabulous. I sold quite a lot on that wig. So I'm so excited to promote this Wave My Hair company. The wig is so fabulous, as you can see. It's so nice. I can't wait to install it. I'm going to be making the video on TikTok. So nice. It's already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything. It's a glueless wig. All you do is just put it on, you're good to go. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, so that's it for the wig. So the next one, I think I know what this is. I'm so excited to show you guys what this is. I think I do know what is inside. Let me see if I can get some scissors. So let me show you guys. So I know a company from China messaged me like a long time ago, like they want me to review one of their bags. So I was like, yeah, why not? So I think this is the bag that arrived today. If you guys do not know, I used to do a review on yellow apps. I'm sure you guys know what yellow app is. So this is you guys look. I'm sure you guys know what. I'm sure you guys guess what it is. So this is a bag from China. These bags took forever to come, you know. I totally forgot about them until when I received a message this morning saying like I'm going to be receiving a parcel coming in. So I'm going to be reviewing this one too on TikTok because they asked me to do it on TikTok. Oh my god, because I put the open box. Okay, I finally find a way to open it. So this is I don't want to mention the name because I don't know if YouTube will allow me to mention the name, but I'm sure you all can see. You all can see. I love the packaging. The packaging is so real. Let's open the box. I'm gonna take this one away. Well packaged, guys. Well packaged. So it comes with I don't know what this. I know people use this in around their bags to make you look a bit fashionable. So well packaged. This is the bag. It's so cute. I don't know these days. I'm loving small bags. I used to carry big bag those days, but not anymore, to be honest. Yeah, so it's so cute, well detailed. It looks really nice. Like, you know, the sewing is fabulous. Let me show you guys the inside. So it comes with a strap. So this is the inside. And it's so nice and soft, guys. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's really nice and soft. It's really nice and soft. Absolutely, it's so cute, guys. Look how cute this. I think this is. I can't remember what size this is. I think this is 5. I think this is size 5. I can remember. I need to go and check and see what size is it. But I just decided to pick small size because all I need is just my phone and my lip gloss, literally, and my cards. That's what I need. Like, that's what I normally, you know, take out my phone. Normally, sometimes I don't even carry my card because my card is on my phone anyways. But it's so cute. Like, look how cute this bag looks. Very cute. Well, the sewing is so nice. They sewed it really well. Well details, like absolutely stunning. It's so soft. really soft. So yeah, I'll definitely put the link down below as soon as possible. As soon as I got the link, I'll put it down. Yeah, it's so good. I really love it. Really